Today, we're going to show you how to use a QR code in a digital funeral program and why this has become one of the most practical and stress-free options for families. Digital funeral programs make it easy for guests to stay connected, whether they are attending in person or joining from anywhere in the world. First, it's important to understand that you can't put a QR code on just any funeral program template and expect it to work correctly. Templates created in Word, Publisher, or Apple Pages are not designed to host a live, scannable digital experience. These are best served for those who want a printed memorial. For a QR code to function properly, the funeral program must be formatted correctly and hosted online so the code has a destination to link to. To put a QR code on a digital funeral program, you'll need to use an online QR code generator. In this example, we're using Bitly, but you can use any free online QR code generator. Simply visit the site, create a free account, and generate a QR code using the link to your hosted digital funeral program. Once your QR code is created, you can print it and place it on a sign or display at the entrance of the funeral service location. Beneath the QR code, add simple text such as, "Please scan for funeral program." This makes it clear and easy for guests to understand what the QR code is for and how to access the program. There are many advantages to using a QR code with a digital funeral program. There are no printing costs. Guests can scan the code and follow along on their phone during the service, and both guests and family members can print a copy later if they wish to keep a physical version. Digital funeral programs also save money and reduce paper waste. You're not limited by page count, so you can add multiple pages, include more photographs, and create a more complete tribute than traditional printed programs allow. Another major advantage is accessibility. You can share the same QR code with family members who are out of town or even out of the country without mailing anything. There's no risk of programs being lost in the mail or arriving late due to courier delays, which can cause additional stress during an already emotional time. If you're short on time or working within a budget, the funeral program site is the only provider that offers digital funeral programs formatted perfectly for viewing on any mobile phone, tablet, or screen. Digital funeral programs are the future, offering flexibility, convenience, and peace of mind compared to the old-school printed-only approach. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more funeral planning tips and resources. We invite you to explore the digital funeral program collection at the funeral program site to get started creating a meaningful, accessible memorial today.